Howdy folks, welcome to One Eats. Today is another MCO special because we are still stuck at home, although it's actually a CMCO now. But still, we are staying at home to be safe, and I hope you guys are as well. Now, today we're going to feature another unique recipe, which is actually a tuna fried rice with fish roe, which is right here. This is a very unique recipe because it originated, I learned it from Korea, but we're gonna just twist it up a little bit by adding the fish roe. Alright, so the ingredients, as you can see here, is very simple, easy to obtain. The main ingredients, of course, will be the tuna and the egg and the Ebiko for today. And we have 20 grams of butter right there, sliced garlic, and chives. Of course, you can change chives to spring onions to suit your taste. And also, the reason why we are going with tuna as well is because, as the original recipe, because it's widely available. And I'll tell you, I think a lot of families as well, they probably have 1 or 2 cans lying at home. So this is a great recipe to start off on a lazy weekend, I guess. Alright, so going through the recipe again, this will be the fish roe. Now, actually you can use Ebiko, but unfortunately I couldn't find them at the grocery today. So we're gonna use Tobiko, which is slightly more expensive, but you know, you can just stick with Ebiko. And of course, salt and pepper as garnish. So now the egg itself, actually I separated the yolk from 2 of the eggs because we want it to be a more yellowish and golden and rich in nature. So and some people, what they do is basically they just use the egg yolks alone, but today we are going to use 2 full eggs and 2 egg yolks. Alright, and we're just gonna whip it up, and we're gonna add it to the rice first. Alright, so let's start the process. Alright, so to the eggs we add some salt and pepper. Okay. So as you can see, this is slightly thicker than the normal beaten eggs that you will get, because over here we have 2 extra yolks. Alright, so this is the rice that we cooked early this afternoon. Right, we're going to transfer it over here. It's easier to mix. Now for everyone's info, 2 cups of rice. We'll spread it out properly before we add the eggs. Alright. Look at that gooey goodness. Alright. Okay. So we're just gonna mix it up. The rice. Make sure they are well coated before we move on to the next step. And try to break up those lumps of rice as well in the process. It's perfectly coated. Looks delicious. Yeah. So first and foremost, we're gonna heat up the pan a little bit, and we're gonna use this the butter. And I usually purchase this because they're easier to allocate, basically 10 grams each, and much easier to manage. Okay. Alright, so first and foremost, we're gonna saute the garlic a little bit. Increase the heat. And we're gonna open up the cans of tuna. Put them aside first. Immediately upon opening, you can really smell the tuna. So good. Alright. Just gonna add in the tuna. Now it's very important that when you purchase the tuna, make sure that it comes in water and not the sunflower oil or other form of oil, or olive oil rather, because we do not want too much oil with this at this moment. We're gonna add a little bit of soy sauce, or you can use the Maggi seasoning. Now this one is to basically neutralize the sweetness of the tuna a little. Looking good. Next up would be the rice itself. As you can see, I just used 1 can of tuna because I feel that it's more than enough. Just mix it around. This is where you need the high heat. Coat the tuna well with the rice. So once again, 1 can of tuna for 2 cups of rice. It looks just nice, perfect. So at this stage, you're gonna add a little bit of the chives. Notice that is browning in the rice, and also the egg is formed well between the rice. Is the time when you can add the fish roe or the Ebiko. Lower down the fire, the heat. Okay, so we're gonna add maybe all of it. There you go. Mix it all around. Smells so good. Now at this stage you can taste and also add some salt and pepper as you prefer. Give it a taste. Yep, we are about done. Time to serve. Lovely. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of chives on top, and there you have it. Right, let's give it a taste. Alright, so let's give it a try. Prior to that, I just wanted to show you guys, actually I put on some of the Japanese mayonnaise on it, and it goes extremely well with tuna, so I encourage you to do that as well. And so let's give it a try. Oh, that's so good. The tuna really shines through, and the Ebiko, the fish roll, when you bite on it, it basically gives you that crackling sensation. It's fantastic. Perfect meal for a weekend with the family. So anyway, as I mentioned earlier, you can actually swap out the tuna for example, salmon or crab, whichever that you feel is more suited, or whatever you have around in your house. And it's basically tastes extremely well with any type of seafood. So I encourage you to give it a try, and if you do comment below the different ingredients you perhaps may have used. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I guess this is it. So do give this a try, the tuna fried rice with fish roll. Alright, so thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon somewhere nearby, whereby you'll be notified of our next videos. Alright, so stay safe wherever you are, and till the next videos. Bye guys, stay safe.